Take a daily adult aspirin. What is that little gel one? I don't know. Powder turmeric. What's the other one? Turmeric's for anti-inflammatory, natural anti-inflammatory. I don't know what the other ones are. And then two other prescription ones. Anyway, I would forget if I didn't put them in this, and I never cheat, so that if I see something that's still in there, it really tells me, hey, you forgot your medication. That's not cool. A little baby size hairspray, even though I'm not happy with this one. This is Fakai, and it's sheer hold hairspray, so it's not very holding, and the sprayer doesn't work very good, which is probably why such an expensive hairspray was in the clearance section at my drugstore. But I do like to have baby size ones. Oh, this is what I'm using right now. This is Mineral Fusion cuticle treatment, and this is, it makes a point to tell you it's free of formaldehyde, toluene, debutyl phthalate, TPHT, and camphor. It's very important when you are having allergic reactions. I like to keep that in here so I can just go on each of my cuticles, and when I'm not thinking about it, so that I can help try to heal them. So I just keep it. I also have to keep a hand cream right now. I'm pretty serious about keeping my hands moist and moisturized because of the reaction I had, the allergic reaction I had, and they're still not healing very well. And I got this Shakai Barrage Therapy. It's dry skin lotion, fragrance free, and I have to tell you, this is pretty incredible stuff. I probably will go get a full size of this. Even though I like these little purse sizes. Wish I could find some more sample sizes. A Lone Rogue eyelash curler. This is the Chanel one, even though my favorite one, as y'all know, is my Charlotte Tilbury one, and I don't even see where it is. I have a couple of lens cleansers for cameras, but I use them for my glasses. Another Rogue. I need to probably have a little separate makeup pouch in here. This is my number 2 Rose Bronze. Y'all, there is no better blush, and because of this color, it's an unusual color. Almost looks like nothing, right? It's perfection. It is truly perfection. Rosy it around and then go up, and it's just like having bronzer on. And you can go down your nose, under your nose, in front. It's never the wrong time, wrong color. It's perfection, and it does under here perfectly. Y'all, oh my gosh, it smells good. Perfection. Number 2, Rose Bronze. Get it. It's an investment, I know, but it's worthwhile. Okay, is that all? I think that's all for in here. It is. I'm so proud of myself. What's in here? Zipper number 1. Okay, usually I have a Prada wallet, but it's so big, I didn't put it in here. And this, okay, so in this one, I put in all my paper stuff. My dad's checkbook, because I have to write checks to his, for his cost sometime, and his caregiver. So I have all that, and other paper stuff, because I can't stand to have paper out. I also have my electronicals. Usually they're in another little pouch, so I don't know why they're separate right now. But I do have them on my little Levenger, and you unhook this and wrap it around there, and then you put it back, and it doesn't get all tangledy up. And I've got 2 on there. I've got on that you can't attach it to your keychain, but instead I just attached a different kind, because this can do Android, this can do Apple. What else? My little Medi pouch, which I've shown y'all a number of times. I purposely chose a black one, so it would go in any purse really, but that it's mesh so you can see through it. I had a green one as well. But in here, I always keep a little pack of Tums. This is the Smoothie Tums, for if somebody gets an upset stomach. I also, you'll see, keep real ginger in my purse, because that's also good for keeping your stomach from getting upset. A breather for anybody who might have asthma, including me. Oh my gosh, that just came out. Excuse me. This is never something to play with, so there, it's in there now. I'm not going to scoot it. And I have all kinds of things in here. I have Band-Aids. I have the little individual packs of allergy relief, ibuprofen, a little antiseptic. I need that. Where is it? Where is it? Let me see if I can find it. Allergies. No, I don't have one. A Sweet and Low, because inevitably people do not have the pink Sweet and Low. I don't know why. A little stomach thing. Ibuprofen. Is that one of them? Hydrocortisone cream. triple antibiotic cream, and that's what I do need. So I'm going to keep that out because I have a little, my skin's so dry, it's split. Oh, gross. And then, in case somebody is having a diabetic reaction, I've learned to keep sugar with me, so I keep a pack of Skittles, and this isn't for a snack. This is if somebody needs sugar, like if they're low sugar and they feel faint, or they're actual diabetic and they're like, I need sugar, and they are not smart enough. If you're diabetic, carry your case with you to carry their glucose. They look like little Skittles, to be honest. They're a little bit bigger. They look like, what are they called? Not Zestos, Zippos? Anyway, little round candies, but they're excessive sugars to get someone's sugar up quick if they're in trouble. So just in case somebody does not carry that with them like they should be, I will carry it for them. Because I have been in a case, I've been in both cases where someone said, I'm feeling lightheaded. I'm like, do you have sugar issues? And they're like, yeah. And I'm like, you diabetic? And they're like, no, but I do have sugar issues. And so I gave it to them. And then I've also had a friend who had asthma and didn't have her inhaler that day. And I literally ran around the corner of my desk to her desk and said, here. And I literally pushed it in her face, and she did it because she had like life-death asthma. And I'm like, why do you not carry your inhaler? Anyway, so that's all that's in there. So we're going to put that back. Put the electronicals back. We're going to keep some things. I think I'm going to put all these excess cosmetic stuff. I'm going to put that in a separate case. And then I'm going to put my little work stuff that I've got to do on paper back down in there. And the last zipper, there's no outside zippers. There is on the outside a little place right here, and I used to wonder what that's for. You actually put your key to lock this up. It has a lock on it. Where is it? Anyway, on here, or you could put your car keys on here and slide them down that slot. But it looks kind of funny. It sticks up like that. Unless you can get it all the way down, I just leave it down. And you'll notice a lot of the handbags have these. Like Hermes has them and others. So it's not unusual to see it. Oh, here is the, this is Verdant Kitchen in Savannah, Georgia. Verdant. And it's ginger bites. It's a traveler's best friend. So when you feel nauseated, this is, our roots are in the sandy loams of the coastal lowlands of Savannah. Enjoy our products. These bites are the perfect small taste of ginger to soothe you. Ginger and sugar may have traces of sulfites. That's not good, is it? Vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, cholesterol, sugars. Ooh, 21 grams of sugar for how many? Size 28 grams servings. I can't even understand what that means. 1.6 amount per serving. It doesn't say how many pieces. You have to know that. Well, anyway, I usually only take a little tiny piece or two. And it's ginger. So ginger soothes your stomach like peppermint does. So does ginger. Ginger even more so. But it's pretty strong. And so they have coated it in sugar. So they've just rolled it in sugar so you can stand eating it. Some of you may love ginger. I don't. So, but it does work. So is peppermint though. And that is probably easier for anybody to carry around. But I tried that and I do like it. My little foldable hairbrush, and I always keep a hair bow on that, and it's got a little mirror. So when I fold it, it keeps the hair. I say hair bow, it's a rubber band. And I also keep a hair clip. This is just a little cheetah looking one. Cheetah skin, little rhinestones on it, so it's pretty. In case I'm so hot and I twirl my hair up and just put it up. And then last but not least, this is where I do normally keep the Prada wallet, but instead I've got Louis Vuitton. Why? Because this keeps a lot of things in here. Oh my gosh, bad duplicate efforts. More electronicals. Hey, I need one of these though. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Here is another one. Here is another one. No, this is my earbuds. I almost never use these. And it's got a little Chick-fil-A. I want to test out some of these things sometime. And I wanted to see that this works, so I decided to use it, but I really need to take it back now because it does appear to work pretty well. It's a circle, and then you snap the middle, and it keeps all your cords. Y'all probably seen this by now because a lot of people have them now. And then I have some more of those wipes. I have loyalty cards. I have receipts. This is also where I keep receipts and any extra credit cards that I need. No, they're not credit cards. Oh, these are more loyalty cards or gift cards. I also keep stamps and my return address labels And also a little book that my dad got in the mail. Bless his heart, he buys stuff he shouldn't be buying online. But anyway, this one came with a hope and comfort from God's Word. Little scriptures you can use when you're talking to people who are down. I thought, you know what, my daddy gave me that, and I would like to carry that with me. Then I also carry one of these. I don't know if you've ever seen one, but you turn it long ways, and what you do is you hook it. You sit that on top of the table when you go to a restaurant, and you hang. It's very, very strong. You hang your handle on the hook so that you don't have to put your purse on the floor or the back of your chair. It's right there at your knee. And the reason is, one time I was at a restaurant, and me and my husband said our prayer, and when we woke up, when we opened our eyes, woke up, we took a nap while we were praying, someone had stolen my purse off the back of my chair in the prayer. Who does that? God help them. Seriously, God help them that they would do something like that. Anyway, so this is what's kept in this. Oh, and also a collection of safety pins. I keep on a safety pin, different sizes, because you never know. People are always like, do you have a safety pin? And I'm always like, yeah. So let's see, we'll put this back in here. And we'll put, because you always do want to keep a cord. And we're going to put that other set of electronicals, even though I don't even know where I put them. Where did I put them? Yeah, back down here. We're only going to keep one of these, y'all. And I also need to get those other two cord holders that I was testing out. Sometimes I really do test stuff out to see if it works before we give it away to someone. But it does work good. And I've got my Levenger one. It's leather. That's plastic, which is fine. Doesn't matter what it is. But I've got one I need, so I'm going to keep that. So anyway, that's all that's in my purse. I hope y'all have enjoyed it. I guess we're coming up on time. I don't know. Are we? Yes, we are. I timed it just perfect. I think it's like 2 videos long. Yes, it is. I love y'all so